everyone, so far we have discussed the equilibrium level of output. We have studied that equilibrium level of output can be achieved where aggregate supply is equal to aggregate demand, or we can say कि aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply. So at this point we can achieve our equilibrium level of income or output in the economy. Now what happens if aggregate demand is less than aggregate supply? If aggregate demand is less than aggregate supply, what is this situation called? So this situation is called deficient demand. This situation is called deficient demand. So a situation where our aggregate demand is less than aggregate supply, we call it deficient demand. So in this situation, resources are not fully utilized in the economy. There is excess capacity in the economy, and this is a situation of underemployment. This is the situation of underemployment. So let's understand it with the help of a diagram. So on the x-axis we are measuring our income, and on the y-axis we are measuring our aggregate demand. So we will draw a 45-degree line, and this 45-degree line is our income line, and this is also called aggregate supply curve. So our required aggregate demand is ADR. ADR is our required aggregate demand. It cuts our 45-degree line at point Q. So at the point Q will be point of equilibrium, and corresponding to this, the equilibrium level of income will be OM. OM will be our equilibrium level of income. Now suppose our actual aggregate demand is less than required aggregate demand, and actual aggregate demand is ADA, and it cuts 45-degree line at point T. So our equilibrium will be established at point T, and corresponding to this equilibrium level of income will be ON. ON will be our equilibrium level of income. So this situation is called situation of deficient demand, and this gap shows deflationary gap. इसे हम deflationary gap भी कह सकते हैं, और इसी को हम deficient demand भी कहते हैं, right? Deficient demand. So this gap shows deflationary gap or deficient demand. The gap between the actual required aggregate demand and actual aggregate demand is called deflationary gap. Now why it is called deflationary gap? See, deflation is a situation or we can say it causes decline in the national income or employment, and it causes fall in the price level. So the slowdown in the economy is called deflation. Why there is slowdown in the economy? When there is excess capacity, or when resources are not fully utilized, or we can say when there is deficiency in the aggregate demand, there are unsold stocks with the producer. So in order to avoid losses, or in order to clear their unsold stocks, producer will reduce the price.